Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. Today's video is going to be a charity shop haul. This time around I've been to Sue Ryder, and again I picked up some amazing items. I just can't wait to show you them. So let's get straight into it. So the first item that I picked up in Sue Ryder was this gorgeous, look at this gorgeous plant pot, guys. Now the colours are quite neutral. It's like a dark stone colour at the top here, and at the bottom you've got this lovely gorgeous pattern going all the way around there. Now I was actually thinking of painting this or leaving it as it is. I know if I was to paint it white, that texture on here would actually show through. So I got this, and this was £2. Okay, so next up I got this chocolate fondue set. It's actually got a sticker on there that says £10, originally £10 Habitat, but I got this for just £2. It's practically brand new. It looks like someone's opened it and didn't bother to use it and just pull it in the charity shop, you know. But I'm going to take it out and show you. So you get 4 metal skewers there. Then you've got the main part of the actual fondue set, which is this bottom bit there. You know, it looks like a giant oil burner. I suppose you can actually use this as an oil burner because the pot here is really large, you know. Put a tea light candle underneath there and you're good to go, really. But it is for the fondue, so you do still put your tea light candle underneath there, chocolate in there, get it all melted. You know, you've got your skewers, you put your marshmallow on there. Marshmallows, strawberries are my favourite for fondue. So yeah, just pop it in there and you're good to go. So I think that was a brilliant buy, and I think I did say I paid £2 for this. I think it was either £2 or £2.50. Still a great bargain, brand new. Love that. Okay, so next up, talking of oil burners, I did actually find an oil burner in the Sue Ryder charity shop, and it's this one here, guys. I mean, look how gorgeous this is. So this is something that if I saw it in the shop, I don't think I would actually have purchased it. But because it was in the charity shop for just £1.50, I had to have it. £1.50, you can see how large it is. It's a large oil burner. It's cut glass. When you look closely, it looks like roses and like vines sort of entwined together, which is very in keeping with my room at the moment. So I absolutely love this. I make it's glass because you can see through the bottom bit there, it's actually glass. And yeah, wow, you know, wow. Another great charity shop find. Love it. Okay, so next up, I actually found something in the Sue Ryder originally from the White Company. Not a dupe, real White Company. Brand new, still in its packet. You know, I haven't opened it. And what this is, it's a heart soap plate. So you put your soap bar on there and you just have it on the side of your sink or your bath. And I got this for just £1.50. Now, I'm not sure how much it is in the White Company. I've just taken the ribbon off here. And yeah, it's really nice, actually. It's got a nice, actually, when it was in the box, it looked like it was a kind of more shiny finish. But it's actually a matte finish heart that you can actually use it to put like twinkets on it. I'm going to put it on my dressing table, actually, to help put some of my everyday jewellery in. And yeah, love that, love that. That's a real good find, real good still. So really happy with that. Okay, so next up I found this. So what this is, guys, and I honestly, it's my favourite item. It's a acrylic ice crusher. An ice crusher, guys. You know, you have your Baileys. Fantastic for Baileys. Love Baileys, but I like it even more with crushed ice. And also Deserrano. Deserrano is made for crushed ice. Big ice cubes just don't do it for me. I crush the ice in the Deserrano. Absolutely, it just tastes completely different. So I found this in the Sue Ryder charity shop, guys. Now I couldn't believe my eyes. I couldn't believe my luck, to be fair with you. It's acrylic. You just open that bit there, put your ice cubes in, turn the handle, the blade goes round, crushes the ice, it all drops into them, fills up into the bucket below there, and you're good to go. So I got this, guys, okay, I got this for £2.50. It's brand new. The box has seen better days, so I would say maybe someone's opened it, they might have even given it a try, or they've opened it and they didn't like it and they just put it in the charity shop, you know. So again, perfect for, you know, okay, I know we are now, this video I'm filming this on the 1st of September, so happy September, everyone. But yeah, you know, the summer's kind of finishing now, we're coming into autumn, but Christmas. I'm thinking Christmas, you know, you have your drinks bar, you have your little drinks laid out. Crush ice is the one, guys. So that's that. I'll just put that down safely. Okay, so next up, I did show this item in part 2 of my bedroom tour, and it's this gorgeous mirror. I just absolutely love this mirror. You know, the pattern on here, and that's actually on the mirror frame, matches my bed cover. That kind of leaf design entwined all together. Absolutely love it. And this I got in the charity shop, the Sue Ryder, for £2 as well. It's really heavy weighted, but again, I just absolutely love it for £2. I wasn't going to leave it. I was actually thinking about using it like this and then putting some perfumes on there. I'll just get some perfumes actually. Look how this looks just with the perfumes on there. Really gorgeous, really lovely. Love that, love that. You know, so yeah, so that was £2 and I absolutely love it. Okay, so the next item was also a great find. I mean, all of these items are absolutely amazing. I want to say thank you to the people that have donated them to the charity shop, and I've actually found them in there because I'm just chuffed. I'm chuffed with all of them. But this, again, is another great find. Now, this is a magazine holder. It's kind of like a shabby chic kind of design, circles going around it. It's metal, it's quite heavy as well. And I got this for £3. It's still got the tag on it there. £3 in the charity shop. I've put it beside my bed and I just put my books in there, my notebooks when I'm sort of editing while I'm in my bed. I just have all my notebooks in there, my camera, the camera case, the battery. You know, absolutely love this item for £3. It's in very good condition as well. I was thinking to spray it like more brilliant white because it is actually like that kind of shabby chic kind of colour, or even black, but I've just left it as it is for now because my room is not really like white, pure white. It's more like a cream kind of like mushroomy kind of white colour, and this goes with it quite well. So yeah, so another great find in the charity shop for £3. I love this. Okay, so next up, the next item or the next items, I just couldn't believe that I found this. Someone had just donated the whole box of photo frames. So I'm like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Of 9 photo frames, assorted sizes. So you get 2 4x6 frames with mounts. You get 3 5x7 frames and 4 5x7 frames. Brand new in the box. Just going to open it here now to show you. Okay, brand new in the box. So, okay, so you get 2 of these 4x6 with mounts. Then you get 3 5x7 frames. And then you get 4 6x4 frames. Like that. They've all got these like hook things at the back so you can hook them on the wall. You can actually have them stand in landscape or you can have them stand in portrait. And honestly, I couldn't believe the price tag that was on this box of frames. Now, I'm going to tell you, I got all of these frames for £3.50. £3.50. I couldn't believe it, honestly. £3.50. That's just like brilliant. So next up, I picked up this little house, this little tea light candle house. You know, you put on your mantle, you know, mantle during Christmas time. Not sure what shop it's from, but I do absolutely love it. Nice high gloss on there. And yeah, this will definitely come in handy for the festive season. So I've got this, and this was just 70p. So another good bargain. Okay, so the last item is this basket. Took this bit off. I couldn't find it actually to do the haul with, because at the time when I got them, I washed them, sterilized everything. So this can actually be used in the basket, but I prefer it without it, to be fair with you. I'm just going to pull it on and show you. Okay, so that's how it looks with the cover on it. I don't really like the cover, so I've taken it off. I just put it on to show you guys. But yeah, it all came together, and I got this basket, which is like a, I got this basket, which is a good sized basket, for just £1.50 in the Sue Ryder charity shop. Absolutely amazing. I thought for £1.50, I'm not going to leave it. I can actually use this in my office. I can use it downstairs in the kitchen. And yeah, so that's my last item. Hey everyone, so thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below which of the items was your favourite, because I love absolutely all of them. The great steal that I found was the photo frames, and then this gorgeous mirror that I might actually just have it like this on my dressing table. Such great finds, and like I said before in my Salvation Army charity shop haul, you know, pop into the charity shop, you'll be amazed of what you can find in there. All of the items that I've picked up are definitely going to be used around the house. You know, I've got places to put them, so I haven't just picked up things for the sake of the video. And yeah, I absolutely love them. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I shall see you on the next video. So take care, keep well, bye.